ready to ride the meme coin wave and potentially profit by mirroring top traders. This is how to copy trade meme coins, specifically focusing on the wild world of Gmgm. First, choose your platform. Major exchanges or decentralized platforms offer copy trading features. Research which ones list Gmgm and allow you to copy other traders. Next, find your trading mentor. Browse the platform's leaderboard, looking for traders specifically successful with Gmgm or similar meme coins. Scrutinize their win rate, profit margins, and trading history. Don't blindly follow. Do your due diligence. Risk management is paramount before copying. Set stop loss and take profit levels. Meme coins are volatile, and you need to protect your investment. Determine how much of your portfolio you're willing to risk on Gmgm copy trading. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio beyond just Gmgm. Copy trading should be part of a broader investment strategy, not your entire strategy. Stay informed. Meme coins are driven by community sentiment. Monitor news, social media, and Gmgm communities to understand market trends and potential pumps or dumps. Adapt and adjust. Don't just blindly copy every trade. Understand why the trader is making the moves. Adjust your strategy based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Consider scaling positions up or down based on your own analysis. Analyze and optimize your copy trading. Most platforms provide insights into your performance. Track how your copied trades are doing and how they are affected by changing market conditions. This data-driven approach allows for constant improvements. Remember, copy trading meme coins, especially Gmgm, is high risk. There are no guarantees. Always invest responsibly and only with what you can afford to lose. Successful copy trading requires diligence, research, and a strong understanding of the meme coin market.